Hi, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 3 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. First, let's open the Chrome browser by tapping this icon right here. Now let's tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Select History. Here we have History, and we can remove sites one by one by just tapping on the X button next to them, like this. Or we can just tap on Clear Browsing Data. We can select between a Basic and Advanced, like that. Below we have Time Range, and we can select between last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Let's select all time, for example. And below that we have types of data we want to clear, and we can select them or unselect them. And the difference between Basic and Advanced is that we have more types of data we can clear. Now, once you're done, tap Clear Data, and as you can see, the history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.